Hi everyone, in front of me I've got HUAWEI Mate X S2 and let me share with you how to enable the developer options on this device. So let's begin with opening the settings. And here in this left section we have to scroll down to the very bottom to find About Phone. Here we have to localize the option which is called software version, and basically it depends. Sometimes you will have a build number or something like that. Just find something similar and keep tapping on it until you'll see that you're in the developer mode. If you've got any kind of screen lock, your device will probably ask you to enter it to confirm the whole step. So after that we have to simply open System and Updates and then tap on Developer Options. And here we've got plenty of advanced settings which we can customize. So for example, we can don't keep activities, turn this option. We can show view updates or surface updates, show the pointer location. Here we've got some options which are connected with the networking, etc. So we've got quite a lot of options to choose from to customize. And all you have to do is to simply tap on the switcher next to the option and it will be immediately activated and applied. Of course, you can turn it off the same way. And if you've got the options without the switcher, simply tap on them to open more options to choose from. If you're done with customization of developer options, you can always turn them off. Just go to the very top of the list and tap on the switcher. And as you can see, the developer options will disappear from the system settings, but of course no worries, you can customize them again. Just go back to the software version step and keep tapping. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. Please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.